Ketogenic diet is one of the most effective, yet challenging diets of all time. In this video, we are going to explain the process, benefits, and side effects of the ketogenic diet. First, let's explain what a ketogenic diet is. A ketogenic diet is a high-fat, moderate protein, and low-carb diet. Most of the ketogenic diets recommend consuming around 70% calories from fat, 25% from protein, and only 5% from carbs. That's right. On the other hand, a regular diet usually contains around 20% calories from fat, 30% from protein, and 50% from carbs. So, this drastic change in the consumption of carbs causes your body to change its metabolic functions. So, what exactly happens when you switch from a regular diet to a keto diet? While on a regular diet, your body converts carbohydrates into glucose, which in turn is used to derive energy for your body and perform its functions. However, ketogenic diets restrict carbohydrates, which makes it very difficult to obtain glucose. Then how do we get energy? This is when your body switches its metabolic state and goes into ketosis. Ketosis is a process where your body derives energy from the fat stored in your cells. So instead of getting energy from glucose in food, now your body gets the energy from the fat stored in your body. So, you automatically start using fats for your daily activities just by letting your body go into ketosis. So, what can you eat on a keto diet? You can eat fats such as avocado, nuts, cheese, or bacon. You can also eat moderate amounts of protein such as fish, high-fat meat, and eggs. However, you cannot include high-carb foods such as bread, rice, or fruits in your diet. Instead, you can eat fibrous vegetables like kale, spinach, broccoli, mushrooms, and others. Moving on to the benefits of keto diet, one of the most obvious benefits is weight loss. Since keto diet uses your body fat for energy, it reduces your overall body fat compared to other diets. Moreover, a person also experiences low hunger on a ketogenic diet, since consuming more protein and fats instead of carbohydrates keeps a person full for longer. Ketogenic diet also boosts your brain function and increases your energy levels throughout the day. Ketones, which is a compound created by your body during ketosis, is responsible for improving brain performance and activity. Many people also notice increase in energy levels, as they no longer feel sluggish as most people do after consuming a high-carb meal. Among some other benefits, ketogenic diet also shows to benefit those with issues like Alzheimer's disease, Parkinson's disease, and various cognitive diseases. If you'd like to learn more about the benefits and research studies done on this diet, then make sure to check out the description, as we have posted the links to all these research studies we are presenting in this video. So far so good. However, the ketogenic diet does have some side effects as well. When you reduce your carbohydrate intake significantly, your body adjusts to the new change in your lifestyle. This causes what is commonly known as the keto flu. It includes symptoms like fatigue, irritability, mental fogginess, or sugar cravings. However, don't worry, because these symptoms only last for a short period of time and can be prevented by taking these following steps. First, stay hydrated. Starting a keto diet causes water loss in your body, so drinking plenty of water ensures that your water levels stay optimal and you don't experience water shortage. Second, increase your sodium, potassium, and magnesium intake. Since keto restricts certain food items from your diet, getting these nutrients might be difficult for your body and this may result in fatigue. So make sure you add food items such as green leafy vegetables, avocados, and nuts such as almonds and walnuts to increase your potassium and magnesium levels. Also, make sure to add more salt to your food to balance out your sodium levels. Now that you know the steps to take while following a keto diet, make sure you stay consistent and make good food choices, as those are the key to staying healthy and losing weight in the long run. Also, people with certain medical conditions such as diabetes, blood sugar issues, or even kids below the age of 18 and women who are pregnant, should consult their doctors before trying a ketogenic diet. Moving on, if you liked this video, make sure to give us a thumbs up and post a comment if you have any questions regarding the keto diet. Also, make sure to subscribe to our channel since we post daily videos on health and nutrition. Thank you for watching.